How to log into Hawaiian Airlines Credit Card. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your Hawaiian Airlines credit card. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser and then simply search for your Hawaiian Airlines credit card. So just type in Hawaiian Airlines credit card login and hit enter. Now you should be able to see the Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard provided by Barclays US. Open this link up, and here you'll find the option to apply now if you don't have it, and if you already have an account, click on login. Once you tap here, you can just enter your username and then your password to your Barclays account. Simply click on the login button. There you'll see a list of all of your credit cards connected to your Barclays account, and including it will be your Hawaiian Airlines credit card. And finally, if you haven't already activated it, just tap on the activate button there, and you should be able to activate your card and use it normally. That is pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.